Most Blender users do not have weak computers, they have badly balanced ones. You upgrade the GPU first. Fans spin, lights glow, Blender still chokes. Blender rewards balance. CPU, RAM, GPU, and storage. Miss one and everything drags. And most of your time is not rendering, it is moving around the scene. The CPU carries the viewport, modifiers, physics, and animation playback. Strong single-core speed is what makes Blender feel instant. 16 gigs of RAM sounds fine on paper, it feels awful in practice. 32 is the survival line, not optional. And going from 32 to 64 often smooths things out more than a GPU upgrade. The GPU owns your cycle's renders. RTX means OptiX, and OptiX is fast. Aim for a 3060 or 4060 class card with at least 8 gigs of VRAM. And NVMe storage. It cuts load times, cache writes, and scene saves. That is the baseline where Blender stops fighting you. Under $1,500 can do real work if the parts stay balanced. More budget, pair a 4070 or 4080 with enough CPU and RAM. A laptop can work too, just mind the RAM and the cooling. But here is the thing, your projects are not consistent. Some weeks are light modeling, some weeks are heavy renders, your hardware is fixed, your workload is not. That is where a cloud computer makes sense. When a project outgrows your machine, rent the power, for hours, not years. Latest generation hardware, with RTX-enabled NVIDIA GPUs. Render on it, export on it, then shut it down. From 99 cents an hour, build by the minute. Own the baseline, rent the peaks. Balance first, 32 gigs, a 4060 class GPU, NVMe. And when the deadline is bigger than the box, Vagon is one browser tab away. Create a Vagon computer and keep your projects moving. Build a balanced PC, borrow the beast.